số em sẽ là dinh thọ cái ni khô tha na hình mu te na phát thế na hồ dấu sẽ sinh min và cái thứ bỏ dấu sẽ kỳ đằng xa na
na lei bo ma ki chat na lei bo ma cham kat pa va mang hin tu ana ki gel te pa kai tu bo ho gel na la hin ko pa chu mang min la la go ding ding pat thei na zo se sa min
na pat thei na abon chan sim min Amin son lang aban chan sim min
sim sim min
pa kain na bo pe cheng se chu pa kai thu bo cheng chu ki dang sa na te ke din pa
he in pa choi ap ma
ai lut
lei in cha zo se ai em ve
ai lut na
on sung ma i ung wei
ki nem no
pot na ai mu sa ui lei lut na
Kai ma cheng
lei na pa
Chan sa hi sa ki pa ya sang no sang lan a ba chan se hin ni tin le pa se yin lo long se pe cha se chen sam nu pe lo ta lo cha chu kan lo sa hi pa sa le na at ke na a ban chan sim min Amin son lang aban chan sim min
sim sim min
pa kain na bo te chen se chu
gel sim min
pa kai thu bo chen chu ki dang sa na pa kai thu bo chen chu ki dang sa
Tuni kimancana diu program ho kain sim masangin Tunia 23rd DTS convocation ceremony ahung thazo si pakai zana na bon chawin ngailu na le zana salam kain pive. Let me read out from the Bible verse Psalm number 121 verses 1 and 2. I lift up my eyes to the hills, from where does my help come? My help comes from the Lord who made heaven and earth. May the Lord bless us through the reading of His holy word. The presiders will be Evangelist Demzapi Kai Haukip and Miss Brice Kim Nay Tim. Right after the reading of the program, academic procession will follow, where the congregation will stand and instrumental music will follow. It's like graduate ding ho hen lang jilkung ho hung ki tollu ding pha dole mi pi ho ibonuwa ahin pha pha na chu inidin thu thu wa amo atol ha zo pha dole bo mi pi zo si itol ha divin tip na kahin nei masain ichichung ki chaiti ngai le praise and worship ding in ECS Center Choir ho ni gon pi bentin Jizole invocation will be followed by invocation by Nulun Roslyn Ningza team, member DTS Managing Board, followed by welcome address from Reverend L. Nekho Haukip, a member of DTS Managing Board, which will be followed by presentation of candidates and conferment of degrees by Ms. Kim Nemoy, Academic Dean, and Reverend Dr. Paul Zatang Sing Soon, respected principal. And we will be followed by presentation of awards by Reverend Saikongam Haukip, lecturer DTS. And the presentation of award will be followed by a special number from ECS and the choir.
And right after that, it would be followed by response from graduates, Ms. Lampahoy BTH 3rd, address from Executive Director, Reverend Gin Husim, Executive Director ECA, special number ECA Center Choir, message and prayer for the graduates from Reverend Hem Kumang Haukip, former Principal and Finance Secretary, ECA. Vote of thanks and benediction from Reverend Hun Khulet, Chairman, Managing Board, DTS. Recession, congregation, please stand. That would be followed by instrumental music.
Jilkung o hong luding to kilhonin music hong kipanintin mi pi hoin ahin pa na idin divin pakai menin ka inti me.
Worship pathin ba joina elam guiding win ECA Center Choir ho kahin kawe. Madam Roslyn Ning is a team member DTS Managing Board for the invocation.
Psalm number zale somdako chang somdani somdathum thilpha simzo lo e bol pe za pakai chu ipi kape ding hitam hu hing na chu khon bangin dom sanging ting pakai minin tawinge pathen henga na tawatin anakun cheute Olo pipen hallelujah thangba dingalom ba choi dingalom ka ho lai dei to banam ka pau ka pathian na lungsit na zalin nangin tu kum sang ni la som ni la nga azong DTS nahin na thuzil na muna na chate mi i zan ham khat ha san na legen theina tam ta hin thwa na thu a hin zil na ho tu ni a achai na ni hu ho ki pa na nang ma thangba khom na tu ni a hilai no in thenga mang khom thanai koi zalun na ko ma ki pa thu ka se ju na he kai tu pha ta hin na cha hat lo ta hi rong le tu su na ka chil ha na dingu program hi chi ka khuna ka hin choi jin nen hi chwa min chung ho zo sila phan hin la ding ho zo se nangin phat the hin bo in nang ka bol ka to ho zo se krista nang ma lo pina na chana nagam machal na dinga hi a ahum khom na cha te zo se a dinga nang ma lo pi ka phon do naw le chu ting le ta sa na ga ba na wang bo na ka chan ho atha tha ka mu naw hi theina dingin nangin ka program ho zo se abul ka pan to kel honen ka chai to ka se ba na thagaw thing kha cha ne pi dingun tin thang wa pumin hat chung nung pakai jesu krista menen na anga kong ta be na hi
pakai pathinin aphatna e musa zalovin tunin 23rd discipleship theological seminary convocation ceremony mongtheini tawin pathin phatna zalin ikipawin pathini thangwawin tunia 23rd DTS convocation ceremony hong kalsong salal hanga tunia hong ki khom hozo se DTS faculty DTS managing board le 2025 graduating students ho kalhengin nabon chatsungova kalim nau chibai kahin bo vinahi tip committee ho lamkai na noya department ina lamkai tampi zongmeng mui naumin chuting le angai nadola Churachandpur district sunga ATA accredited colleges ho ako nazong representative phabem khat melmui naumin chuting le tunia adia isi hobung mi hi zong le ngai na zal le gyal kho na zala hobung chom chom ako na zong pastor phabeb upa dikens phabeb tuting le lamkai hin set mi zar ham khat zong melmui naumin tunin na hozalin no makisachoma ma zengin lunghaya omin tu pata program atsi banga hi atsi lung ke ding hi kinep naw zong ai to kilonin salehan lang hi zong le thu ham hamin panlaw hitin tua akipada kikim sela iwom bangwa hi achai changeya pan laso ke dingin tim na zong kahin nei nahi pathinin pathina bu tawan.
Now will be a time for presentation of candidates and conferment of degrees. This will be taken up by Ms. Tim Nemoy, Academic Dean, and Reverend Dr. Paul Thang Sing Soon, Principal of DTS. Hichi amani kahin ko masanga kahin hetsa nomchu. Candidate join degree ang kilawa give presentation ang kilaw to kilhonin. EWD ECA Nuteho ahin, Bizang Nuteho hin, Chile M Sungil Pastorate Area Nuteho hin, Amho in Pavui Opi Nazong Ane Pepe Divin Tip na kahinayin. Degree ang kihop to kilona Bani cha Pavui ni Opi Divin, Nuteho Tip na kahinayin, Kigung Sadima Omding kahintime. Tuhin, presentation of candidates and conferment of degrees padladingin. Ms. Tim Nemoy, Academic Dean, Reverend Dr. Paul Thang Sing Soon, Principal Pat Kahin PA.
Program mang thei ding in umuvin masan pathin thangba na kahin pin ningkumin student somthum leli tabang graduation in a ball thevin graduate in a ball pi thevin tu kumin jong pathin lungsit salin student somthum hi graduate la thei ding in umin chiji jong hin pathin I thangbo vin he Principal pa hin chuting le gift presentation a ball pe divin Reverend Dr. Dilal Boy hi in amani jong chilaya a din pe dingin kahin tim hone pa vui opi ding pa vui center committee nu te ho jong chilaya hi opi pay dingin dingangal dingin kahin tim kitne ama sa penin BTH hohin paning katin may I request first of all BTH Bachelor of Theology candidates to kindly stand from your seats. Dear Principal, it is my pleasure to present to you these candidates who have successfully completed the requirement laid down by the seminary and eligible to receive the degree of Bachelor of Theology.
With the authority that is vested in me by the Managing Board and with the recommendation of the faculty, I now confer on you the degree of Bachelor of Theology.
As I have called out your names, I request the candidates to come forward to receive the the degree. Serial number 1, Mr. Thang Tra. Mr. Thang Tra is the son of B.S. Kai Khogin. He's from Molnom village, Churachandpur district. He is presently church member of Evangelical Churches Association, ECA. He has a future plan after this graduation service to go for further studies. Next, Mr. Ngamcha. Mr. Ngamcha is the son of Pao Hau Haukip from Teizang village, Churachandpur. He is a church member of Evangelical Church Association, ECA. His future plan after graduation service is also to go for further studies. Ms. Hingnun Them. Ms. Hingnun Them is the daughter of Solin Mang Tauthang from Ke Khonom Pai, Churachandpur. She is also a church member of Evangelical Church Association, ECA, and she also has a plan to go for further studies. Mr. Kap Monsang Vaipei. Mr. Kap Monsang Vaipei is the son of Pao Tin Kham from Khiengzang village, Churachandpur. He is also a church member of Evangelical Church Association, ECA, and presently serving as a area youth member. He also has a plan to go for further studies. Mr. Let Min Lin Khong Sai. Mr. Let Min Lin Khong Sai is the son of Zhang Ngam Khong Sai from Molnom village, Sukrul district. He is a church member of Kuki Christian Church, KCC. He also has a plan after this graduation services to go for further studies. Mr. Let Zangam Haukip. Mr. Let Zangam Haukip is the son of James Dongkhomang Haukip from New Bolzang village, Churachandpur. He is a church member of ECA, New Bolzang. If it is God's will, he also has a plan to go for further studies. For the next candidate, Mr. Mangolal Kipgen. Mr. Mangolal Kipgen is the son of Tong Thang Kipgen from Je Songtun, Kangpopi district. He is a church member of Kuki Christian Church, KCC. He also has a plan to go for further studies. For the next candidate, Mr. Christian Boipu Tauthang. Christian Boipu Tauthang is the son of Thanglun Tauthang from Molpei, Chandel district. He is a church member of Kuki Christian Church, KCC Molpei. He also has a plan to go for further studies. For the next candidate, Ms. Lampa Ahoy. Lampa Ahoy is the daughter of Khai Thang Lung Dim from M. Plavom, Churachandpur district. She is a church member of Evangelical Church Association ECA. She also has a plan to go for further studies. For the next, Mr. Sat Khulun. Sat Khulun is the son of Lam Thang from Gangpi Zang, Churachandpur district. Presently, he is serving as Mission Department Board Chairman in Kuki Baptist Convention, KBCS Gangpi Zang. He also has a plan to go for further studies. Mr. Ngamzapao Khongsai. Ngamzapao is a son of Dongam Khongsai. He's from Setlon, Chandel district. He's a church member of Kuki Christian Church, KCC, and also has a plan to go for further studies. Please take your seats, BTH students. Abana Dingin, Diploma in Theology candidates hozo se na tau namun wako na hong ding do dingin kahinti me. Dear Principal, seminary requirement hozo se hoi ta a chay theng ta zi uvin ano ya ho cheng hi Diploma in Theology degree na pi dingin na hinga kahin pelut ne.
DTS Managing Board na ko na thani na piakom dungzuin le faculty in recommendation in bol dungzui win nang ho si hi Diploma in Theology degree kain petay.
Naminu kahin ko dungzuya khat na degree yung kila dingin kain het sa in ama sa pena dingin Miss nga Zoy Kim. Nga Zoy Kim hi palun say chanu ahin ke sungdo zang kho Churachandpur ko na hi. Aum na hobung me na hi le Believer Eastern Church BEC ahi in tulatu hin hobung sunga Youth Department Treasurer chule Sunday School teacher in apangin ahi. Chuting le amahin aban graduation zouting simbeding ti in plana neye. Abana Mr. Lun Min Thang Tau Thang, Lun Min Len Tau Thang, Amahi Pa Pau Kholin Tau Thang Chapa ahin, B. Ebenezer Churachandpur ko nahi. Om na hobung ahi le Chongthu Baptist Church Association CBCA. Mahin graduation zoting aban simbeding atin ahi. Abana dingin Thangneo Khongsai, Thangneo Khongsai hi palun khothang Khongsai chapa ahin Tatbung Village, Tamenglong District ako na hi. Steng le amahi Kuki Christian Church, KCC hobung ako na hi. Chuting le amahin graduation. Ala chai ting ahi thei chana zo chana pathin thu sei na le na to na a pan na thei chana ka panding ahi e ti e. Abana Mr. Ngamgin Go haukip Ngamgin Go haukip hi pa khailal haukip chapa ahin Mongkot Chepu Ukrul District ako na hi e. Chuting le amahi Kuki Christian Church KCC hobung ako na hin graduation zoting aban simbeding ti hi e. Abana dingin Mr. Let Go Lane haukip Let Go Lane haukip hi pa let kholal haukip chapa ahin Longza Chandel District ako na hi e. Om na hobung minahile ECI Evangelical Church of India ahi in chuting le graduation zoting aban simbeding ti hi. Abana dingin Miss Ning Nun Thim hi pa Thien Kholun Kongsai chanu ahi in Dampi Churachandpur District ako na hi. Om na hobung ahi le Kuki Christian Church KCC ahi in tulatuhin hobung sunga Youth Finance Secretary tu jinglai ahi e. Chuting le amazong hin graduation zoting le aban simbeding tin hi. Abana dingin Mr. Seichung Nung Tuboy Seichung Nung hi pa Seikolen Tuboy chapa ahin Es Khonum Phai Churachandpur ako na hi. Amahi ECA Evangelical Church Association hobunga ko na hi in tulatuhin hobung sunga EYD Secretary tu jinglai ahi e. Graduation zoting le amazog hin aban simbeding to go na nei ahi. Abana dingin Mr. Ngam Khomang hi pa Seikolen haukip chapahin chuting le Longza Chandel District ako na hi e. Om na hobung minahile Evangelical Church of India ECI ahi in chuting le amazong hin graduation zoting aban simbeding to go na nei ahi. Abana dingin Mr. Let Min Say Mate Let Min Say hi pa thangza haw mate chapahin Longza Chandel District akon ma ahi e. Om na hobung ahile ECI Evangelical Church of India. Graduation zoting amazong hin aban simbeding to gon nei ahi. China adingin Mr. Lun Khosim mate care of thangchung nung mate amahi si gamnum a khwa kon ahi chuting le amahi a na hobung Kuki Christian Church KCC hi in graduation zoting aban simbeding to gon anei na hi Diploma in Theology ho zo si to tawo tuin abanin Certificates in Theology CTH extension course ho ahi in CTH candidates ho zo si na to namunuba ko na hong ding do dingin kahin teme. Dear Principal, seminary requirement ho zo si hoita a achai theng ta je uvin anuya ho cheng hi certificates in theology degree na pe dingen na hinga kahin pelu ne.
DTS Managing Board na kuna thuni na pia ka dung zuin le faculty in recommend na hin bol dung zuyuin nang ho si certificate in theology degree kahin petai.
Ama se pe na dingin M Thong Min Thang Haukip M Thong Min Thang Haukip hi talo pa Zamson Haukip chapa hi in Bizang Khopi Churachan Purako na hi tu din munin na hobung Evangelical Church Association ECA sunga Mission Department Secretary chuting le Piling Sunday School Mihilin apangin ahi amahin graduation zoting aban simbeding atin ahi abana dingin S Hem Khopau Haukip amahi talaupa Hem Khothang Haukip chapa ahin S Molcham Village Churachan Purako nahi tu din munin na hobung S Molcham Baptist Church sa Piling Sunday School Mihilin apangin ahi graduation zoting pathina to ding panathei theya panding ti to gon anei ahi Miss abana dingin Mr. Ngamneo mate amahi pa S Thangkhopau mate chapa ahi in P Gelzang Village Churachan Purakon ahi tu din munin na hobung Kuki Baptist Convention KBC hobung secretary chuting le Piling Sunday School Mihilin apangin ahi chuting le mahin graduation zoting zo chana pathena to ding ti in ahi abana dingin Mrs. Ningneiling Haukip amahi talo pa thangse Haukip in nei pi ahin Kholmon Churachan Purakon ahi tu din munin na hobung Evangelical Church Association ECA Women Department Chairperson tu Jinglai ahin chuting le KHPA Kholmon Pastorate Area Women Department Vice Chairperson zong ahi chuting le mahin zildo kham ho pathina dinga man cha ding tin ahi abana dingin Mr. Mangcha Vaipei mang cha vai phei ama hi aum talo pa nek cha vai phei cha pa hin Gotangkot village KPI district akhon a hi e aum na hobung a hi le RCG Revival Church of God a hi in executive member khat zong a hi alem chang om be zil be theu ma hi le zil be ding to gon zong a nei a hi abana dingin Mr. L Thong Khothang ama hi aum talo pa zamhlun cha pa ahin bizang khopi churachan pura kon a hi tu din munin om na hobung Evangelical Church Association ECA a hobung treasurer ahin chule HMPB Hallelujah prayer band adingin town area a finance secretary tu jinglai a hi chuting le ama hin graduation zoting pathin na to na lama thei chana ki pi ding atu min hi abana dingin Mr. T Haulen Mang Haukip Haulen Mang hi aum talo upa ti zangam haukip chapa hin bizang khopi churachan pura kon a hi tu din munin om na hobung Evangelical Church Association ECA bizanga MED member khat a hi e chuting graduation ki chaiting mahin pathian na hi thei chana to ding hobung sunga pan na thei thea pan la ding ati a hi abana dingin Mrs. Hoinu Haukip Mrs. Hoinu hi pa alal haukip in nei pi ahin kingkin churachan pura kon a hi tu din muna om na hobung ECA kingkina MED member khat a hi in mission department member a hi e graduate zoting le hobung sunga pathenin engan se na ho a to thei kham khama ka to ding hi tin hi achaina adingin Mr. Tong Khanlen baite Tong Khanlen hi pa thong let baite chapa hin bizang khopi churachan pura kon hi tu din muna om na hobung ECA bizanga mission department member khat hi jingin graduation zoting le hobung sunga panla na thei theya panla ding atin hi City chozo se tawo chuho se chu ke ho phat hintin lopina pathen chang ta hen
Thank you, Ms. Chimnemo Academic Dean, Reverend Dr. Paul Thang Sing Sun Principal, and Reverend Dr. Lalboy for the presentation of candidates and conferment of degrees. Before we call Reverend Say Kungam Haukip, Lecturer DTS for presentation of awards, I would like to request the congregation to please stand and we'll give a round of applause to all the graduates and all the presenters. Graduate ho hiin award kisanzo si ading in kodbe pina ngave ananiw hite. Pathinja nan taukit taute. Reverend Seikhom Hokip, lecturer DTS in presentation of awards part in Lapi Divin Kahinti me.
Distinguished guests, esteemed faculty, and all the leaders and members of ECA, it is my joy, honor, and privilege to announce the awardees for the year 2025. As per the authority vested in me by the principal, faculty, and based on their esteemed recommendation, I declare the awardees for 2025. Number 1, Mrs. Ngaizal Hing Memorial Award for BTH General Proficiency. Chihin hopdo masangowin, a donors donated in ball Dr. Ngane Kim, apido din kahin kawin, chile upadamang Executive Chairman citation certificate pido din sila nga kahin kawdo estes langa. This award is awarded to a Bachelor of Theology student who scored the highest aggregate mark in all the subjects. The award carries a sum and a citation. This award is donated by Dr. Ngane Kim Hokip, Kes Salbung, in memory of her beloved mother, late Mrs. Ngaizal Hing Hokip. This award goes to Mr. Christian Boypu Tautang. Christian Boypu Tautang, please come on stage. Itse pido pidiwin upa demang mi pin kon ane be pi ziziw te oh. Upa demang ni din pi zingovintin upa haudem haukib Memorial Award General Proficiency for Diploma students. This award is awarded to Diploma in Theology students who scored the highest aggregate marks in all the subjects. The award carries a sum and a citation. This award is donated by Reverend Seikhungam Hokip and family, New Bolzang, in memory of their beloved grandfather, late Upa Haudem Hokip. This award goes to Ningnun Team Diploma. Ningnun Team. Stays lang kahin ko we. Upadam mangin hin pizing entin. May pin kot be piziw te oh. Upadam mangzong in tau pi entin. To ahi Case award hi amina kahin coding Reverend Thangchung Nongzinu Mrs. Thaihuay Singsun silang ahong dingding kahin kowe ama in hinpido intin certificate hinpido dingin Reverend Ginkusim Executive Director ECA kahin kowe mazong dingdo dingin Reverend Thangchung Nongzinu Memorial Award for Biblical Language Hebrew. This award is awarded to a Bachelor of Theology student who scored the highest mark in biblical language, Hebrew. The award carries a sum and a citation. This award is donated by Mrs. Thaihuay Singsun Bizang in memory of her beloved husband, late Reverend Thangchung Nung Singsun. This award goes to Ms. Lampa Hoy BTH. Ms. Lampa Hoy BTH on stage. Sorry. Reverend ZK song inidin pi zinguventin. Abana hi pi sum kutsin Hokip Memorial Award for contribution to campus life. Dr. D.S. Silangang dingdo dingin kahin kowe. This award is awarded to a student whose life and activities contributed most towards campus life of the seminary. The award carries a sum and a citation. This award is donated by Dr. D.S. Hokip Kes Salbung in memory of his beloved mother, Led P. Sumkuchien Haukib. This award goes to Mr. Ledmin Lin Kung Sai, BTH. Mr. Ledmin Lin Kung Sai, BTH on stage. Reverend E.K. Sim, Executive Director in the Taupi Uvintin, Tuahi Upangam Kuzam Dongal Memorial Award for Preaching. I hope the PD Uvin. Citation, I hope the PD Uvin Upaso Kler. Moderator is Kahin Kovin. Ichi in Pido PD Reverend Zang Kulam Dongal Amazon States Langahong Ding Dodin Kahin Kove. Upangam Kuzang Dongal Memorial Award for Preaching. This award is awarded to a Bachelor of Theology students for excellence in final year preaching. The award carries a sum and a citation. This award is donated by Reverend Zang Kulam Dongal and family, Kotsuhai, in memory of their beloved father, Led Upangam Khuzam Dongal. This award goes to Mr. Led Milin Kung Sai, BTH. Mr. Led Milin Kung Sai on stage, please. Upaso Kulalindin Pizing Uvintin, Abana Hi, Pu Tong Zamang Hoki Memorial Award for Practical Ministry. It's in Pido Piduvin, P. Niam Kuhoi Hoki, King Kampai, Nuros, didn't do Pil Kipaumente. Pu Tong Zamang Hoki Memorial Award for Practical Ministry. This award is awarded to a Bachelor of Theology student for proficiency in the field of practical ministry. The award carries a sum and a citation. This award is donated by P. Niam Khoi Haukip Thingkampai in memory of her beloved husband, Led Pu Tong Zamang Haukip. This award goes to Miss Thingnun Tim BTH. Miss Thingnun Tim BTH on stage, please. Upaso Kulal Zang Netaupi Dingin Pakaimen Kahinti Me Kakipave. Tuhin citation Pido Dingin Miss Nemzalhei, Women's Secretary ECA Kahin Kovin, Abanle Mrs. Hatkulam Bizang Kahin Kove. Upati Zang Ngamhoki Memorial Award for Exemplary. This award is awarded to graduating students who exhibited exemplary lifestyle in the seminary. The award carries a sum and a citation. This award is donated by Mrs. Hatkulam Bizang in memory of her beloved husband, Led Upati Zangam Hokib. This award goes to Miss Nga Zoy Kim Diploma. Miss Nga Zoy Kim Diploma. Stage nga kahin kove. Abana Mrs. Tinning stage langa dingding kahin Kovin. Ulhaizong ni din pientin. Reverend Lunkulet Haukip Memorial Award for Mission Studies. This award is awarded to a Bachelor of Theology students who secured the highest mark in mission studies. The award carries a sum and a citation. This award is donated by Mrs. Tinning Haukip of Munum Village in memory of her beloved husband, Led Reverend Lunkulet Haukip, who served as the first ECA missionary. This award goes to Mr. Christian Boypu Tautang BTH. Mr. Christian Boypu, Tautang BTH. Alhaile naniang zong in taupi entin ichan chu award hop now hitante ka kipai.
Ms. Lampa Ahoy for response from graduates. Right after this, it would be followed by address from Executive Director, Reverend Gin Kusim, Executive Director, Evangelical Church Association.
Praise be to God Almighty. Respected principals, Managing Board DTS, faculty, staffs, esteemed guests, dear families, friends, and my fellow graduates. Good afternoon to one and all. Today, I greet you all in the matchless name of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. I'm so glad to address you all in these awesome occasions on 23rd Convocations ceremony as a representative of the graduating batch of 2025. I take this opportunity to thank our principals, all the teaching staffs and non-teaching staffs for letting me to stand in front of you all. Also, I would like to show my gratitude towards my dear teachers and non-teaching staff who guided us and helping in our studies with their full potential, for caring and loving as father and mother, who always inspire us and execute us to come up to this level and who contributed toward our spiritual growth and academic excellence in our Christian life. Without all their efforts and contributions, we would not have been able to do exceptional ministry without their teaching and training. Then, on behalf of my classmates and graduating students, I would like to share the educational experience during the course of our studies at Discipleship Theological Seminary. Although we were strangers when we first arrived at campus, we were united by the desire to grow, learn, and get ready for the outside world. Over time, lecturer has evolved into motivating spaces, labs into creative playgrounds, and classmates into lasting friends. Together, we overcome challenges, acknowledge accomplishment. Subsequently, we will always remember the anxiety before exams and the brainstorming sessions in the library, and the laughter in the hallways. By ourselves, none of us could have accomplished these milestones. Therefore, I'm humbly affirm once again that we are truly grateful and privileged, especially our dear teachers who tirelessly work for us in sharing their knowledge and pushing us to think critically and having faith in our abilities. They taught us to be resilient, curious, and brave enough to be creative. In addition to that, we also remember our parents and all well-wishers for their constant support toward us in prayer and finance. Moreover, they were the sole responsible for encouraging us through our failures, reaffirm our priorities, and celebrated our victories. Even my classmates have been sounding boards, my colleague, and my second family. The relationship we have created here are priceless. Therefore, DTS, Discipleship Theological Seminary, has been a tremendous place of learning in academically and spiritually. There is no better place to develop excellence in character, attitude, and ministry. The blessings that we have received from DTS are many. Within a specific time of mind, it is not easy to mention all of them, but I would like to mention a few of the blessings. First, we are privileged to become the students of DTS because this is the best place for us to learn the Word of God, to develop our academic discipline. Secondly, many of our seniors, other TOMS alumni, are now become preachers of God's Word because of the educational exposures we got from DTS. academic excellence, and spiritual vibrancy by which we all are blessed with. So in line with this, I therefore praise God for DTS and its administrative body and faculty. We, the graduating students, will continue to pray that DTS will continue to be a Christian educational help center to train young men and women, including church elders, in line with righteousness and Christian perspective in the years to come. Prior to my conclusions, though today marks an ending, it is also a radiant beginning. As we enter the world outside of DTS, let's keep in mind that serving others, not just succeeding, is a calling. According to Galatians 6:9, the Apostle Paul urges us, let us not grow weary in doing good, for at the proper time we will reap and harvest if we do not give up. So together we will shine with compassion, creativity, and wisdom because of our educations, which is like a lighthouse guiding ship over choppy waters. One wise person once remarked, education is the lighting of a fire, not the feeling of pale. Meaning, we all have that fire burning brightly inside of us now. So, together we can reveal pathways, motivate others, and create a brighter future. No matter how tiny, sows the seeds of change, whether we are creating solutions, managing teams, or fighting for justice. When we give our efforts with humility and confidence, Christ will multiply them, just as He multiplied loaves and peace to feed many. John chapter 6, verse 1 to 14. Therefore, let's move with confidence, understanding that even the tiniest acts of bravery, moral character, or compassion can spark long-lasting transformation. As a team, we are God's hands and feet, meant to inspire, build, and heal. Class of 2025, today is not goodbye. It's see you later as we scatter light seed to bloom in new gardens. So let's go boldly, dreams widely, and write our own story with patience and purpose. Let's look forward to the amazing experiences that lie ahead. Thank you, and God bless you all.
Thank you, Ms. Lampahoy, for the sweet sharing. And I would just like to take a few moments. I am also a student in DTS, and the good people sitting there, they are my classmates. I would like to request them to please stand for a while. Ini tahu pi bilang ilang aho chu kachumbol na hipoin na mo hi kaya di nga jong certificate extension course sa class ke ba apyo hi in tuni convocation ceremony. Being one of the presiders, I'm very grateful for this opportunity, and I would like to take a short time to express my congratulatory note to them. And I also would like to let all the teaching faculty, starting from the principal of DTS, to please stand up for once. These amazing people are the reason why a lot of the students are here today, and we are eternally grateful to each and every one of them. Tuahi aban anachalo hitin. Address from Executive Director Reverend Gin Kusim, Executive Director, Evangelical Church Association.
Pam le jing in tuni hin itabang ni khoi ta mai teng le phat pha dam nei pi owa discipleship theological seminary graduation tu kuma mangthia umwa teng le tu to khom pi pastor ho teng le upa ho teng le nu le pa te ho ting le graduating student ho na bon chavin ka ngai lu na salam che bai kan bole principal le ting le staff le managing board kho sa na zalin phat khat ke yong kong changin na hela ka ki pa le jingin masan ma ho chunga ki pa thu kan se ye cái dòng 2011 apat 15 16 chân chu DTS akano mai in ye chon kum nga wing weng phat ki mang hi ka ngai lu in ka gel kho in teng le akhan to hi ka ki pa ma jing e tiang chu ka sei no min DTS hi ama sape na chun DTC anakiti wen let ngam loin lam kai na na bol wen Discipleship Training Center tinana ki hongin abana amin hong ki lengkinin Discipleship Training School in tikinowin aban ki na chun Discipleship Theological Seminary in Tivin amin zong hi sangjep zemain khelo hi in staff hall principal lam kai na in tu kum kahet khelo le tu kum apana hi MD course introduce ding ti yong chu lungel le to gu na aumin ki pa am le jing na hi BTS course produce anaki bol lai hin lam kai loi khat chun hichat zil na BTS course na bol wa hi le azil ho chu job na pi zo diu hinam ti chu question ei bol hi in ahin la akai zo si college akai zo si a college in job kipidi lo hi in ye chun pathinin ama ho poi mo dung zui le amun dung zui aman cha di wa hi ti pa chu ken jong kana se hi in teng le Ethiopia hi hai mil loading de to making disciples sei zuya mi ho gasim ti pa hi ilu a put jing jing di dan he ingai tu na jing jing ngai hi ditia sakai zo si chun teng le thu sei lom chu kai pu en jong le pha chom cha khat ka amang no men ka sei jin ke yong kum thum ham bo ka ne ta je en sei di ka holin teng le sei piham phun nom hobung mi te ko ma mi ho ko ma sei nom hi ka hau ji na hi le ye chun phat ka mana hi la sot ji in kan ko te ko ma pastor pa iti hitam sot ta phat mangin su chom sa win ati in kan ko te in sei pi jivin adong la phat sol la pung ka ten speaker ding jong ka hi pu in hi jong le ka pu nat khat le ka lungel kan sei no ma hi in theological training kiti hi phat alu nin kumalu nin chu chu loi khat na ding ha chu phat chu chan chan ga man sangin to thei dan dan ki tong jing ho o ti pa jong hi lungel a om thein ala bible ai ven wa hi le paul chopin pha in a hlai le in akut awai in revival crusade a bol jeng pu in bible chi ve na hi le arabia kum thum aga umin ti ai galatia chun chu ti ai ai le kum thum chu pathian to ki pol na alo le pathian thu zil na aga ne hin ong ki le ki nin hetia cho jerusalem na ipana thu pha sei phu nga hi nei chochi ge la hi le training hi anga je pha jong alut anga ye ti pa hi ilu ai koi sadi bin de ka sa ne hi tu ne hin nunga gol hang ho minu mi pa oi ta na sa ta in degree ho hen no ho na ne veti ke het ji in ka ki pa in tieng le bible hi theological student ho le tieng le degree ne ho hin I het dinga de ka sa khat so pathian thu bible gel sang ding a hi ti hi ka sei no min Paul in Corinthor khat bungli na chun changgum 19 a sein thuki sun walin I chon ngai pui ati bible a thuki sun wal hin I chon ngai pui ati he I bai ha le no ka sai a bible a don talo he la mi khat thu sei boi pi a hi gun set pa he theological degree nei ho le zil ho hin mi thu sei sanga mi ngai dan mi manglam mi vision sei sanga chu Bible in EPSAM ti pa hi iboi pi zo di win ka de nei ani na chun pathian thu zil hi dam sunga de hi degree khari ga la ya chi ma jo se he ki po in teng le degree khar in nei ji a MTA se lo le PhD ham khat ga zo ji a chi ma jo se he po in learning continuously angayin chi medical doctor ho to ki bangai pathin leng ga mana tong ding ta ta chun medical doctor ho boi masang lam chun RK ka ga ki sa inai le doctor RK chu mi vet da lo le ai medicine journal ho asimin le kho cha asimin hiti chun ato pi ngat ngat ji ka ve na he le medicine langang hi nan na tha tha hong pot dam doi tha tha en semu cho zo se chu ama ho akyap den wa ngai ti pa he kalung ge la aw mi ye chun pathian thu jong he ei ho le ho ki update jing lo wa he le chu man thei hi chum chum lo di he ti pa ka sei no me ne ye chun ni si a pathian thu a hi ki update jing wa ngai jin akum si ai ki update jing wa ngai na hi degree pa chun I ma cha ase de lo hi mi hem ve na chun thu pi nan te jong le apa thien thu pa chu izil zo se ki bai hat de lo hi ya chun cho zo siang cho I hizil deu hi idam sungwa izilova akho dung zuya a context dung zuya sermon ki go no ba ei ma thep na lama sermon ding hiloven yo bung mi te ngai cha chi pi ham ti chu ge la I cha chu sermon pi ding zo a hi ti yong hi ka ga sei nom ki de he ting le I thu piu chun nang ho chewin ti pa he apoi mo ma jeng hi ma thi bung som ni le ge chang som le ko na chun nang ho chewin imperative ai sol ai ye chun degree nei zo wa to het ding chi hi poi ti nai to hin ke so he chan ge ka zo ta in angai chot in ko na win te ti le koi ma chan na ko lo di ai ei chu ki sa lel nga hi ti ka sei no mai chi nga hi ga vil nga hi ga tau pi nga hi ga til ko nga hi in ko gun se diu chu inga I to wa inga wa ai le chu koi ma chan ei man lo di ai je chun chevin ti pa hi ilung thumai koi jingo wa disciple ai lo ga mang hu do na dinga chu chevin tia thupi pa hi iput jing di win de ka sa en je chun mi ko inga wa ai le man thei hi de lo di ai ho zong ki pan hi ti win ama wang pi ha dan le mol ka pal ke jeng jung ding ti na hi pu in pathin thu a mi ho angai cho ho adinga chu I pi zo ngai ho khana ka chi na chun ho bung upapu now lan bat de dinga ka ko jinga hi le aboi khat be ni ve hi ang boi ta en ka hung man he phat ka nei he ai lo le ka hung man poi ka boi ya ti akal chu ka ho ko ta poi ti in sa langa pa te ho khat ka kovin ka taw sa tai ti ye chu min ei ko ding pa chu khat ve jong imis a he le mi ta san ki kai lo hi ti pa he di wei ge jut ho zo si chu ama wang a timing pa chi boi kha le ama ho to adjust thei ham ti pa chu sei khom ding hin tin yem ti a min ei ko na I chi lo wa le chu ko kit ki chang lo hi ti yong chi gel do di in de ka sa hi cheng chu tu ni graduate student ho zo sa dinga thumop ka ni nom chu hi in ten sei khel sei wal ama he le ki ngai dam hi ti chan chu in te ka ki pa
Proceed to the next item. I would like to once again request all the parents and guardians of today's graduate students to please stand up. Dunia laya graduating student ho nula pate in ko ahung kilhon pizau sina namun wa khat be hung ding divin ka hinte me hilai muna student hiza nin lol hin na anai hi ini taupi tabalan. We also would like to request for the upcoming days to keep supporting them for their future journey. Tun abanin special number from ECA Center Choir, amho iniko bitin, to zauting let message and prayer for the graduates from Reverend Hem Kumang Haukip, former Principal and Finance Secretary, Evangelical Church Association.
Sing isu emsel na sing toa Akai ni kota na himuti Na patena Hozo si simin Pakai tilbo zo si kidang sam Na na lei bo ma ki chat na lei bo ma chang gat pa va mang hin ku ana ki gel te pa kai thil bo ho gel nan la hin ko pa chu mang min dal ha go ding ding pat thei na zo se sa min na pat thei na aban chan sim min Amin son lang aban chan sim min sim sim min pagkain na bo pe cheng se chu pagkai thil bo cheng chu ki dang san na te ke din pa ya in pa choi pa ai lut lai cha chu se son lang aban chan sim min pagkain na bo te cheng se chu pagkai thil bo cheng chu ki dang san na pagkai thil bo cheng chu ki dang san na te
Message and prayer for the graduates from Reverend Hem Kumang Haukip, former Principal and Finance Secretary, Evangelical Churches Association.
Ama sa penin tunia graduate ho na bon saben kenjang congratulations kain bon no mobin azoa student respondent on say bangchun you have been really resilient throughout your course kavena hile dunia hung graduate ho langa CTH ball ho wang he hele in Monaco na hung ball he wen BTH student janum khat hi covid na jong chun an ho win chio hung ki chayin gal hung mom ki nen ale kha sim diu to gam sung boy na to nat le sat ki sei to cho zo si la a hi cho zo si boinu si hin palgal kaya tunia graduate thei jan khat am ben hi le pa chat um ka sama ma jeng oven student ho zo si hi chi hin palgal kai ho hi hen lang ai chen to kha be se lo ho hi jong le na bon chawin na gun chu naw tuni in min amu then omin na lol hin naw oz ho hin chule tunia ke ma jeng ta jong ki pa na sang ta kanin kain ki pa pi ve ti chu kain phone hi hen lang covid lai chun ke yong principal khat kana hi in class la di dan jong na ha in hi jong le thi dan dan in class on ki lan aban ban hi tin college se hong chi in ai la gal ahung ki din gal ahung hi 2023 gal hong ki pat chu exam lai ta na hi in exam lai ta hi in na hi wangin exam ki bol kho chengwang chun gala kho be se phat chun exam jong ki continue thei tapon exam jong ki hai tan student ho jong a bon win in langa chi thei thei chi ta win a chi hola a hin ka het khil lawa hi le mi som ta bang hong ki nung le tapon college ong ki hon kit chun hong jong ki nung le tapowin loi khat chun aga chi naw a kholangwa kum khat vel duty frontline duty aga povin duty kum khat ven po zo chun permission an kila ovin aban simin hong ki dovin heti hen gala tol to boina za chum chum to pathin tho simna kho sa in pan a hen laweti hi imo ben helaki pam ka samama jengin phadang danga ho sang in tu chunga graduate ho hi ken jong ki pa pina sang ta kan pvt chu bula ga sei do hian lang chule chi tot hon lon chun hita bangala tol kho lai ta a college phate a achi jom theina dinga ei vengwa pang government langa sipai ho hi hen lang ai lo le e ho langa gamgi nga apang ho hi jong le am ho zo si chung tu ni hin ki pa thu jong isei no ben he am ho zala class ho chilanga boil hela ichi ham thei zalu bin am ho chung jong ki pa thu tu ni hin ama ho hi u jong le chung chi ba ki pa thu ga sei no ben he ito kal hi pung khat le ke vel ong hitan ken hin sau la da tang ka ting tu ni hi message chom cha pedin kong ki gongin hi ka hin sei got ho hi athang pia bible college a sunga student hon anasim ho le adia dts vision to ke to je ma thil tham khat khain sei chu ka ki pa na ma chu hi le dts student ho hi tu ni anu le paizan khat hung ho zong he ama ho an he khale phadang ni dang na he kha hi zong le chun summer vacation ham winter vacation ham khating le practical ministry ahung nawa anaboi pi ani la cha na simpi jong zan khat nam diu ka ging cha in no zo si chunga jong ki pa thu ka sei no men ama ho he dts ahin mundang dang bible college dang chun itia bol ham chu ka het pon hi jong le ade in practical ministry hi phai ta bol diu akidei ji chun practical ministry bol na wa hi pathin thu bo sei lo diu ki ti jeng hin pathin thu na sei lo jong la kho poi na chi dingo hobung mi ho to naga kilai khom dingo lowa kon na na kon khom pi dingo how in sung su thing them na su thing dingo ai lo le tui khai ngai le na khai dingo thing pu ngai le na pu dingo ti a hi ki vai ha practical ministry ki sol ji hin a chi na wa gamang loi jong om jiwin boina za chom an tu jiwin hi chi hola ang sun information ho an pe jiwin chang su ngai yong la chang sun jong a pangovin hi ti hin college student ho hin na sata hin ama ho jong ki ngai nim le ai lo le ipi ha sab le leng banga ministry aga chi hilowin an le tui mina pi lung hai sela ne ding ti hin khau ta en ki vai na he le a chi na wa tu ni hin nu le pa te hobung lam kai ho jong na lungal hai ding ka ging cha in am ho na to na ho le hi chi practical ministry ho ko na jong hi thil tam ta azil do te diu hi kinem ka sa in ji sun dts hi bible college neo cha la ki pantil tabang hi jong le hi chimuna hong kai ho phate cha course in chai ho wang he achu na khat man thei khat hi te na wen ti hi tunin ke ma speaker hi jong leng ama ho ade a tunia student ho izat um khat anaboi pi tu khat ka hi na ti hon hin chong chu ga sei do no men he hi chi ho zo se hi thilli kan sei nom ho hi tu lai christianity I lo theological education jong christianity jong hi avet phat to aphem azui ko mangai ti pa he kan sei no men je jon thilli ta bang he hi chi christianity hi gel phat angai na pa ai lo le a kho yong le ki tha pat angai lang ki tha pat jing ding angai kho na pa he thilli ta bang kan sei no men student hoi na thang pin cho lo se he class a he avel vela za jing sao jong hitan tin hi jong le avela za jong le reminder hi main tin chu chu ga sei no mo ben akhat na hin gospel ai lo le pathin thu hi ila di dan le ipom ding dan hi ki sei jing jong le tunen velin hi ga sei nom ki lo chu gospel hi pathin thu hi ila wa hi hon theological term achun inculturation tin akisei ji in culturate a hi angain azi chu pathin thu hi nam khat le pau khat to ki kan be ahunga hi pon pathin thu hi ham le pau zo si chitin nam tin in a het theiding le amu theiding aza theiding a pathin thu hi hung ki phung a hi to ki thona hi tunia hi e hon pathin thu hi nam khat le pau khat le chondan khat to ikan be wa izui lo deu heti pa hi iga seinom kit ben he in culturation iti teng le alo lucky ball teng le hen mi loi khat chun eima ham le pau eima chon le khan to ki to a pathin thu ki hilding zuiding chi pi ding hita chu pham pathin thu ki hilding sei phong ding ti hi sei teng le loi khat chun pathin thu chu compromise ke bol hitam ai lo la pathin thu chu a hi lo lama ki le do hitam ti a la jang hana omzi in e jong le chu hi po in theological circle ai lo le hobung sunga ding ai hon pathin thu inculturation iti pau hi angai kho nu chu pham ti le pathin thu chu incarnate a hi ngai ki den jesu christa chu e ho het theidinga ama ta sa phele thisan phele bo pu a mi mela hung tabanga chu gospel pathin thu jong hi i ho chon le khan i ho het theidinga chu iki heido ngai heti pa hi isei nom ben hi chinadinga hi theological college ho adi chule adi atune graduate ho zo sin hi chinadinga he pan nasata a ila jing deu hin no omin zakhat le som le nga masang ti tawte 1910 komen kum zakhat le som 1910 komen Watkin Roberts i ho gama hongin pathin thu hung sei pi win tuni in mothim gam chu khowa hung su pi tawin ahin la hi cha ama ho in pathin thu ida tha pi pau hi ama hon ahin pu tabang banga chu ikisei zomjing pe dan rin omen na hi la ka le i ho dinga mai pha lo le het pha lo tabang hen pathin thu ikisei do jiwin eji chun pathin thu sei ting le ai lo la pathin thu hi i ho ham le pau i ho chon le khan to ki to a hichidung ju che sei te ngai hi ti pa atha be a igel kho kit diu hi tu ni hin om sawin hobung la ki sa ho hi hen lang a hi lo le doctrine chom chom isim ho hi hen lang pham practices chom chom hobunga tradition le practice chom chom isei ho zo si hi i ho dinga akilem thei pen le ai lo le ho het thei ding pe na hi ikile do ngai hi ti pa hi tu ne graduate ho zo sin jong het ba hi chi hi na future diu na sei na wa chun ka ngai na hela tam zo ki pan til jong na hina lai jiu chun further study chi ding in na ki sei win hi chi further study na chi na wa jong hi chi lunggel nei jing poma hi kalnan sun jing diu hi khan tep no ma win ani na achun tu lai gam sungwa dinga boi mama khat chu athu issue khat hi eco justice tin kan sei no men tu ne hin go ang zu te nga hele tuibong ipitiam alim ahong thang pai jin tuibong bazar chu go hong zu te nga hele bottle le nen le ailo le pem songkhol takasi yo si lampi akino den nala jo si aki block en tui lo na de nei ji thapon hetabang chun ipiham khopi sunga thangin polluted a hi in chele china bana chun thinglang ngai chi a hele thingle go mudi jong om kit tapo in mole hang zo sin naked akiwa kizam tabangin aum gam tan hu kitung leu tabang hen ithing hangam zo siu i bolovin hi chaho ji chun zu lewa te no chen na di jong anei tapo win gam sa zu lewa ho jong hi igama hi talo tabang khop hela hi hi tabang din mon khat hi hlung hi tawin hi chaho zo si ho yang kon hamiti ke na hele i theology chu question tha bol kit ngai ti hi aga se no hi pathin thu ki hil danu le pathin thu izop dan hi athang pia hi evena hi le beham otherworldly english pautan otherworldly ki in beham van gamlam se kho sa na pa hi atam ji hin leisi na I chen ding dan le kho sa ding dan le I chen khom pi ho to lungmo chen khom ding ai lo le thing le go kho sa ding ju cha ba cha ven bit ding ti ho hi I ho ngai tu na amji ta po in western theology ho di lo na chaho tabang hi a hi kit ji in hi chun western theology ho hin phatia sima hi le capitalist influence je a hi je ji chun kilo sit na nei pap kilo sit na pum hin a chi tha in how sat the gel kho na atamin hi chaho ji chun le sit hi pathinin I hon chin le mai nei dingo ivet kol dingo ephem isa sa di wa pathinin api o jong le tu ni hin avekola pang tolowin anei padanin eumovin hiti chun anei padana im phadu chun I ho nop nop ma su sit ding I ho phat chum na ding bo se aman cha ding khonong khoma ding gel lo hela chule ni khat zo ting le phat cham khat zo le van gama ki leng to ta ding le sit ki dal hading ti ta bang lung gel theology nei kha ji ji uchun le sit ngai kho lo na pa he anatam ki ji na he le tu ni hen igam sunga pollution ha nen a thing lo atamin thing lagu muding am tapon ju cha wa cha jing jong chen na ding mun anei tapon hi cho zo se he tu ni a graduate hall le hobung lam ka ho zo se na tha ingai tu phat ki wa hobung hen ia tia he le hitabang thing lagu ven bit na ding le ai lo le zu le wa ven bit na ding a he tha panila di hom ti hi igelo ngai hi chi pathin tu to ki tu hi bible to ki tu hi ti su min lo di hi azi chu pathinin eden hona adam le ivi akoya chu eden hon chu ave colding le a holding le asasa ding ana koi hin aso sitting le anok am abolding ana koi hi poiti chu heaven tunin e hon jong le sit hi ichin tu over event tu ngai hi hobung chun church song plani bol ngain hobung tha tha ai lo le mun chum chum mission field la mun chum chuma ho in jong I ka sa deu hobung jong itun do so ngai nai ahin la hi chi se a chu I boi den wa hi le chun I hodinga aphat chum na ta chu zo lo ding hin hi ji chun hobung itun do wa hobung itun be na ba na wa hin tu ni hin thing phung jong phut hi te hobung I phu tu ki hon hin thing phung phu na la jong hobung hin pan lao ti pa hi I sei no hi chu pathin thu hi tu nin thing phung phu ding ai lo la thing lo go ven bit ding ti thu sei ting a hele e ho tam zo hin I theology wa di poi ti na chu pathin thu hi lo da na ila na pa chu tu ni challengeable no mo hi in he ji chun tu ni hin graduate ho zo se CTS lang ho jong ke ho CTS mai ti win tu ni graduate ho zo se in he chi hi lungput ane tin I chi na wa pathin thu sei phong ding I kho sa wa hobung tha tun do ding la phu do ding I kho sa ta bang chun thing la go jong phu do ding ai lo le ju cha ba cha jong ben ding ti pa hi tu ni hin emission wa ai lo le ing lunggel ngai tu na wa anane ti hi sei no na he athum na chun gender justice thu jong chom khat na seutin Genesis mama chu sima hi le Genesis bung khala chun pathinin mihema sim hen pathinin mihema simen alim la melen asimen numeile pasal asimi akitin he pasalin pathinin mihema simen pasal bo sime kitipon pathinin mihema alim mela sim chu numeile pasal akigop teng chu le chu pathin lim la mel chu pot hi ti hi isu min lo diwa he tuni hen ibet na hi le ikihil na ho pathin thu ila adan le kihil na ho adi lo ji chun hobung sunga numei ho jong panmun achang zo pon in sunga jong numei hon panmun anei zo pon thu nei zo pon lang khana chun akamu tam hen lang thu sei tam ma yong le major decision la dei phat in sunga jong chun numei ho chu koiman ya se kin lo hitabang kihil na ho le pathin thu ila adan pao numei ho oppress ke bol na nimei ho kisu nem na hobung alo la pathin thua ila wa hita ibol pau hi ichi hil naw lin pen khat hi ti jong hitunin seinom ven pathinin pasal vai hom na ki ti pathinin asim nong hi chompun mihemen asim thu social construct khat zo a hin hezi chun tu ni hin pathinin as bible ki sei pi pen che phem tile pathinin mihem asemin alim la melen asemin numeila pasal asemi ati chu athu pi pen a hin hezi chun tunin pathinin kibung khen le alien zo aneu zo asem pon pathinin numeila pasal khat zo thunei zo ding tiong asim chumpon pathinin kibang chena pan la khom ding le alengam na tong dinga numeila pasal he asim khoma alim le amel puwa asim he hezi chun numei kimu sitna numei pham thunei lo na ilo le numei ho ki chumbol na hobung le society ki tia chu khanto na thelo ding a he ti hi tunin seinom ben tunin ki pam ta en bible sim hol azong graduate hol azong numei jam khat kamon hele ki pam ka san bible dung zu ya chu pathinin mi he ma sim he numei le pasal chu amalim le mela asim he je chun pasal chu alien jamong a he poi ti pa he I bible la kona di ta imo khat chu tuni hin seinom ki ne he hichi ho ai lo le hichi thum ho hi hobung ai lo le theology phate cha a liberate a hi na ding ai lo le iphem hu do am na ding a chu hichi thum ho hi angayan chule hi thilang do ngai nan te hiong le hichi thum ho hi ga sei no mo ven chichu iga gyal jingdiwa ka dei khat che hen a chaina langa ka sei ma sat thum ho to ki ma be se lo hi jong le ma ba na theological education ading a challenging ma ka gyal tu la ya ke jong na sta a iphem curious ka hi na ma khat chu artificial intelligence ki ti hi na sa tan curious ka hi ka phone ho jong hen app hoi ka ki download nin chat gpt ki ti ho ai lo deepseek ki ti ho hi ka phone app ho gi ko yin hi chu a khu ipiti amiti a hi le Google search ho to ki ba lo na tam tam chu unique ma jing than ma hin dunia Bible college a kai student ho hi a boina pi pen ji pim tel assignment ball hi chu assignment bowling chu am ho ding a burden lin pen khat hi a ka le exam sang assignment bowling hi a zo hon am ho ding a pu gi pi pen u ji che hin a hin la chat gpt ki te ho artificial intelligence chu is a hi le assignment khat chu minute khat a chai thei chu bailam ta a thu sa topic chu na tai ma a area ding chu chilai ding word hi za ding word jangana tiula janganan nan ji pi yeng de minute khat chu nan le do pi yeng de what sang ni na tiong le chi do janan bol pi ding thesis khat na ji ding a hi jong le minute ni min thum kal lut lo ding hin a area chu define na bola hi chilai na tia na het lu la he le within 1-2 minutes a hi thesis wa thing ke a nan pi do de hi jing ki dang ta hit the bang khanto na technology la a chu Bible student ho et phem alo la Bible college tu ni oza hon dong ngai to tin et mai pui du ham ti student ho hi et ima pui du ham ti tu nin hi chi hi oza ho ko ma challenge ka koi no ma hi challenge hoi ta ka koi no ma hi aji chu student ho zo si chun library yong che talo le kha yong check out bol talo win phone wa ko nen ai mot na mun wa minute khat kan assignment khan chai thu to nin submit thu to han lang le ita che accept jing diu ham ipilod ham ti ho hi future theological education adinga ai phem chi hi gelo thelo khat hong hi ta in hi chin adinga ba ha disadvantage pen chu cth bol ho bang he chan sum lo hi cha chat gpt chu sa jim lo hi cha chamo adinga ji chu artificial intelligence english power ki bol hin ei power nai lo hi chu no mo adinga bang chu upaim lo he aji te ngai pe ngai ji intela pe nga ji ha ngai hin langa ho dinga bang che english a bol ho dinga bang che le pai wa lai tan hitabang thil bai ta technology la chu theological education hi et ma pui di ham ti hi tunia dts le ade a faculty hon nasata a nahin gelwa Bible college hi itilam dola mabana he kaleson wa panila di ham ti hi nan gel di hi tuni hen a chaina pe na hi chi challenge chu kandal ha bi no ma he hi chan chu ka holim na ka sei he chan kan sei hi lang pathinen til khona thu i sei ho ama lung dei bangai sei do ho la phachom thei ho ichan chi diula di san atu ne graduate holding in pathei bu pi hen lang to hin graduating student ho zo si nam na mona hung ding do wen lang ke man pathen hinga taw na som sanan man pi un kate mi pi ho zo sin jong lungil ta in tunia chala naw ti ho lo le su pi te ho ma bana ding in taw na jong na man pi utin chule ki pa thung na sei utin ke man oging in pathen hinga taw na hen mang kate ngai lut le lungsit adim kapau pathin boina ha sat na zo sila ang pakai nang man kamani puiwa tuni azong dts mona simlai kum khat simloi men komni kom thom komli kom nga kom gup simloi jop no ventin ita banga course ball na ho boina ha sat na tam jong la chodu si palgal kaya zo thena ko ya chito kithana pakai tuni chalai mona ama ho ki pa pi ding le hitsi am ho zala hitabang kin gon ho bol the nei koi ta je win na ko ma ki pa thu ka se he pakai mo hon jong ma bana to ding tham ding nelengam na to na ding kal sun na ding le aban simbe na ding lugel chom nei ho jong ka ngai tha win pakai hi che to gon ho zo siu le alung wa gel ho he pakai nang man mol su sa ke dingin na ko ma ka taw pi na he pakai nang man tu ni hin asimbe di hozong nang man college pa phana pe a nelengam na to na alut di hozong nang man to mun phana pe a ahilo le pakai lunglu ta gunchu ta na leng na tong theding nang man kilhon pi jing din ka taw kit na he pakai tu ni he pakai ki ho lo pin ding imam pon ima zo sinang mazal hizin pakai avelin lo pin zo sinang makan pikit na he sijong le pakai DTS hichi Bible College ka neu he nang man lungse tan mapui jing lang hichi muna mi hila pang oza ho principal palam kai na oza ho hin managing board ho hin am ho zo sin lungyal ngai to thala junga senawa nang man athona ki le sa lawa pakai hichi muna ko na leng na tong ding hang tha le minu mi patam ta sim do am jing thena dingin pakai am ho zo siung mang sa din no ko makataw pi kin an he tu ne graduate ho zo season namin kathang bain mabana kalso na wana mal hon pia pathebo jing dingin kapakai Jesus Christa min ni ha kataw na he amen kai phat chan chu tante taw taw
ki paum le zingin Reverend Hem Kumang Hokip former DTS principal zong hi in chile finance secretary to the Evangelical Churches Association atu singla hi in thuman luta ta in sei piwa chile chona poimo ta ta le tauna gilta zong hi ni pi jivin ama chunga ki pathu 7 pathinin ama pathe boding itauna hi vote of thanks and benediction king ko masangin seinum khat kanin recession kiti I program chu veleu hen achai na pen benediction ung ki chaile recession ni mudio hi in hi chi phal le chun yung ki pat lova ahung lut ho ahung ki golova ahung pot chai to ka siwa mi pi ho koi ma chai pot lova ini tin su keuwa am ho zo sia pot zo phal le bo mi pi ho ini pot divin kain het sain tu hin pathin phathe bu chang pumen Reverend Runkulet Chairman Managing Board DTS vote of thanks saying le benediction able be divin phat kain pi
amasan tuni DTS convocation ceremony lolhing ta isai sau hachung nung pa pathin lo pina sangtan kapin hi ki pathu seina ding hin tuni award donor able pi hozo se zunga hin pakai min ki pathu sevin amo za pakai lengama natong hibin ain song le ato naw atham na hozo sia pathin pathe bo ta hen sule school sapang ay vale like college sakai student ho ha asagan thei tam ta omin amo hozo se hinchoma hobung area sule family hozo se chunga jong turin convocation ceremony hin pakai min ki pathu kan se jin hi ating la procession mancha ho soundtrack bizang music committee in egon pibin acmp bin bizang music committee chunga pakai min ki pathu kan se jin hi transportation chile valena ahin to piwa Dr. J. Lamboy chunga jong pakai min ki pathu kan se jin chule tuni pa we graduate ho op bizang women department chule adang women department ho so si chunga jong pakai min ki pathu kan se jin hi ating the decoration ball khutul khanglai ho chunga jong na sata main achung bahin ki pathu kan se jin laya decoration ho ta ating laya photo bun hoi ta lam chom chom ma hiche ceremony jem hoi dinga panala na chungwa pakai min ki pathu kan se jin hi ating le tuni program personal hozo se chunga jong pakai min ki pathu kan se jin tuni presiders evangelist demja pikai ho kip chule miss breeze kim nei them amani chunga jong ki pathu kan se jin chule praise and worship chubana jong special number ba soilang ai tata ni isa apiwa ECA center choir hozunga jang pakai min ki pathu kan season chumana jang tunia invocation able piwa nulun Roslyn is a team member DTS managing board chunga jang pakai min ki pathu kan season chumana jang welcome address able piwa Reverend L Neho Hoki member DTS managing board chunga jang pakai min ki pathu kan season chumana jang presentation of candidates and conference of degree kiti ichi kin gonjong miss themni moi academic dean chule Reverend Dr. Pauza Thang Singson principal and kilom ta
ating la prize so gift for a hope do piwa Reverend Dr. Lalboy sunga jong ki pa thu kan season a he ating la kilom ta amazing presentation award adi in academic field malam chom choma discipline chom choma itition award ho a hope do piwa Reverend se kungam ahin chulachi a hope do pikit wa lam kai ho ise lubo lam kai ho zo se sunga jong pakai min ki pa thu kan season ating la kilom 10 response from the graduate ahin Miss Lampa Hoi BTS third in jong aman jong sa pawin kilom ta lai ngai tem I ho zo se ngai digin ACP win na ma chunga jong ki pa thu kan season chule tunian address is a pumpi adinga Alain Pen Executive Director Reverend Gin Kusemin jong kilom 10 aman jong address able pivin ama chunga jong ki pa kai min ki pa thu kan season he thing la tunin is a message thing like graduate ho toy amoy graduating hitalo hin amoy graduated hitawe ichun amo ho til kho na chule taupi na Reverend Hem Kumang Vice Chairman jong ahin ho DTS Managing Board na ating na formal principals of the Finance Secretary ECA hin ama sunga jong pakai min ki pa thu kan season he bizong le tu hin gifo ke pathil pi hin ne fat kan bolo nomin chong he ke mama hin nom no tang ka ten pha jong hong ki no tan pung ni chat ta bang chui to hi tawin nunga chong ne bizong hin ki tho pin tin amas penten tunia speaker Reverend Hem Kumang ma fal khato chi give hi pido no mavin pakai min hong ding ding kan teme ani na ise center choir ho ni ku kating le Reverend ZK ama Reverend ZK to dai tur pa azol pa he title jan po the abana Youth Department Emmanuel khanglai ho Chairman pu hung abana Reverend ZK sima tunia addressable pima flak an pido no move abana kutol hobung Chairman Secretary ichi hi Principal le Vice Chairman in ipido pelapante Vice Chairman pato Principal pan gi thima hi ze na Kutol hobongin kilom ta tuni program ho sei bol pivin amo so ke pathu avelikan says na he adang bol bedding jong tapon tuni ku a isi ke pathu sei now jong chu cham kim lo mai the hintin jong le za ta tuni ku a isi sunga pakai zala jana chang pastor ho hita ta tingle executive committee ho hian lang DTS Managing Board lam kai ho hian lang upo ho hian lang ating le minumi pa nga go lang khom ho zo se sunga hin na sung se ba hin pakai minin DTS Board committee thakhe ki pa thu kan se jine he tu ni bon chan ding ten taw na mangte ei ho ei ngai lu wa it jon sit sang seva kuna athisan le alonga eung hat do hat chung nung pa pathin chu lo pi le ba choijin umjing halang tunia discipleship theological seminary convocation ceremony kitup ta
ai chai sa wa ha chung na pathelo pin jana halang tunia ichikin gon lopi ta mai hi aga su do theina ding le ata san zo si adinga ki pana thu pha hi alhuna si ta san lai muna mu zo si helang muntin gam ten ata san zo si chunga hin ami umpi na ami ki thopi na su tu le aton sot gezen ilawa jing jing ta han amen
mi pi ana ding denu hitin speaker lam kaina a graduated students ho lam ain zot lu ananga hitin
Kỳ đằng xa